Hola, hola mi gente. Welcome back to another video. I'm not sure if this lighting is going to be enough because it's a bit gloomy outside, but we're going to have to do what we do. I have my March budget with me here. So this is my layout for the month. And this month we are only budgeting for my house. My mortgage went up from $1,400. I was paying a bit with $1,400, but now it's up to $1,580. I have to pay a Sapphire card. That's $468. My car is $699 on the 5th. ADT on the 6th. Capital One is $196. But since everything's changing right now, I don't want to miss any payments. I'm going to update my mortgage and have it here 4 times a month. So every time that I pay, it comes out the bank, I check it off. Same thing with my car number 1. I paid once a week because of interest. It works better this way. It's a headache and a hassle, but interest wise, it works better this way. My insurance, same thing. I kind of caught up and fell behind again. So I'm going to put $70 every pay period. And also for my debt, since I've been paying off some debt, but not all debt, I'm going to keep it, this month is a 5 pay period. We get paid on Thursday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, yeah. So how's everybody doing? I've been not feeling too well, not feeling motivated to keep track of everything. I made a whole mess of my budget, but we're just gonna roll with the punches, and I'm just gonna be stuffing my cash envelopes. I was trying to do the closeout I was doing the closeout for February and the budget by paycheck workbook by the budget mom, and I know why I've been not trying to do it, because it was a whole headache. Like, is it this? Is it not this? So I'm gonna try to work on it, working on one sheet or one page digitally. That way I can just input the numbers, and if I'm wrong or whatever, I can just go back and update that, because it's a hassle. You don't understand, like, it's a lot. Now I know why I never do those pages. But this is what I'm cash stuffing. It's going to be $446. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 321. I'm sorry, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. 410, 420, 430, 440, 445, and 446. So let's go over my cash. This is my wallet for my cash envelopes. This is for my daily spending. I don't carry it with me all the time. For groceries, it's empty. Sorry, y'all. For gas, I have some money left over, but I'm just gonna set aside $20. I'm sorry, $40. I'm gonna set aside $40. Well, that's about it, to be honest. Yeah. So I have 11 left over for that. I haven't been working. I work Saturday and Sunday, and I don't go back to work till next Saturday. So I've been going out. We celebrated with my family, or actually I celebrated my anniversary. My husband and I have been together for 15 years. And so we just went out to eat an early lunch. And yeah. This is what I have for my coins so far. And I'm just going to put here. I am gonna come back with another video for my debt update payment that I'm gonna do. I did get like 9,000 back. I gave 900 to my husband. I put aside $900 for my couch. I need to move my living room around and move my table from one wall to the other wall before I purchase my couch. But that will be in the works. Hopefully by December everything is done, because I want to take my whole family so we can go couch buying and see if the one we selected online is the one that we actually want to bring home. So and then I think I have 7,700 left over from that tax, so I'm gonna pay it to one card. But I was gonna pay it to one that makes the most logical sense, but I think making the math, I think I'm gonna pay it to another card and just do the avalanche that way. But I'm gonna stuff gas with $95, and that is, sorry, okay, so gas is $95, and we are gonna stuff it with 4 20s, 1 2 3 4, a 10, and a 5. So altogether, gas has $20, $40, $60, $80, $20, $30, $40, $50, $55, $155. Okay, moving on to husband. Husband, since he wants to upgrade his spending, so I'm giving him 10% of his pay period income. So for my kids, they get $10, and my husband, since he made $611, that would be $61. So that is $1, 2, 3, and $1. And I'm gonna put that into his envelope as well. For the pets, they get $15. We took my dog to the vet. I'm sorry, my husband took the dog to the vet, and because she needed some medication. I don't know what she really had, but she kept scratching day in and day out, and that's not normal for our dogs. We've had dogs throughout the years, and that was just not normal for our pets. So we're gonna put family fun. I'm sorry, toiletries gets $15, as well as family fun. So family fun now has 10, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, toiletries has 15, pets has 15, and I'm not gonna do anything for groceries, because again, groceries I can already bought a lot of clearance markdown meat, and so that what's gonna last me for a while. Okay, so moving to, this is my debt. Okay, this is my daily spending. I kind of rearranged them to how I want to film with them. Okay, so this is for my insurance, and I didn't pull any money for insurance. It's okay. So for utilities, either this is for my water bill. This is for my mint, my license. I kind of feel that I have enough for my license. This is for my driver's license and my practicing license. Okay. We are gonna go to car repairs or car updates, which is not here, but let me pull husband. Okay. Okay, so car updates will get $60. So that is going to be 320s. And that is for tires, tags, anything that needs to be updated, we'll update it. So now in that one, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44. 144. Same thing for their home. This is going to be $60 as well. 1, 2, 3. And this one only has $60. Okay, and moving along to the first one. For haircuts, we're gonna put $15. Beauty gets 20. Yeah. And this one we have 20, 40, 41. Claudine gets another $20. Let me scoot all of this up. And now I think I'm gonna have to buy some shoes for my little one because her little toes are hanging out from her sandals. This is 20, 30, 35, 40, $41. For date night, it's $20 as well. And now we have 20, 30, 35, 36. Household, we'll get 20 as well. And then we have 20, 30, 40, 41. School activities. I added this one's a new one, but I added this because you know all of the things are coming up to date. I'm sorry that we had to spend. So I am going to just add things to that, to school activities. And this one, since it was from our gas, I'm just gonna either put it for the car updates. So now on car we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And that ups quickly, y'all. Okay. So, yeah. We need about, I don't know, about $700 just for the tires and also for the tags. So I just want to keep adding there as well. But that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching my, please like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later. Hasta la próxima. Bye.